Hello there, this is Hooty. Hooty, Hooty. That's what I am in the groups. My real name's Doyle Allen. Show you around a little bit with this bing, 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 bing. The designer on it, just to give you a little brief summary, just to get you started. Once you get in there, and the designer, you see you got the number of boosts here. If you're doing the free program, which I use, it'll start you off with 15. Then every 24 hours it will replenish it or so. So if you run out of these boosts, why then might have to wait, or you can wait for a while and then use the refresh, and a lot of times they'll go ahead and give it to you after you wait a few minutes. You can play with that, but that's not what this is about. Let's see, type in anything. Let's see, dog driving a sports car, having fun. We'll just say that, okay? And click the enter. And you can see it started creating here, it says. So, dun 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 dun. However long it takes. Doesn't always give you four things. Sometimes to me, it has just give me like one, or it's give me three, but usually it gives you 4 images. Here it shows 4 images. There's the dog driving the car like we asked for. And you can left click in it and you'll get 1 image there. And here you can scroll through your images. You can pick the one that you like the best. I like that rascal. That's pretty good. He's cute too. If we like this the best and we want to generate more because we're trying to target in on a certain thing, you can use the save, and it will save this example, and it will use it as a basis for the next generation of images that you use. So that's kind of cool, right? And if you want to save this to your download folder, you can right click on it and save it as a JPEG. And you can also click on this and save to your download folder if you want to just save like that. So that's fine. And that's kind of the deal with Bing. It's real simple. So this is Hooty. Hope you like that. Hope it helps you to get started. So that's it. Bye now.